A common question we get is how to adjust the color on SVG fonts. So I'm going to show that as quickly as I can here. A normal font, which here we have You Work For Them Bex, which we provide in a regular and a SVG version. So the regular version, you would obviously you can select the font color like that. There's no problem. But you'll quickly see when you use an SVG, that feature doesn't work like that. This is just unique to the format because of the amount of detail and texturing that's in the SVG font. They sort of work as a rasterized type of typography. So you will need to apply a sort of a layer effect or a blending mode to the actual font to get color changed in Photoshop. So here, when I go to the blending options, I do color overlay, and you'll see right away I can then start to just change the color to whatever I would like to change it to. And that then achieves the ability to customize the color on an SVG font. Now the tricky part is, how do we do that in InDesign, which doesn't have these sort of blending modes like that, the same as Photoshop? So there's a quick hack that you can do for InDesign, which is you want to right click on the actual type here. Let's see here, get it selected, and you want to go to Effects, and you want to do this inner shadow. Now I know that doesn't seem like it would apply to this, but this is a quick hack to be able to change the color. You want to change the mode to normal. Pick your color. I'm just going to select the cyan here. And then I'm going to do 100% so that it comes all the way through. And I'm just going to do sort of a max size on this, which I think would be about 13. You just want this very large, so it's going to fill, the shadow is basically just going to take over the entire area. But the main thing is you want normal, the color, and 100%. Now, you can obviously play around with different layer modes and stuff like that if you want to. But this is the basic way to just get the color. And you will see now I have the color applied. So that's a quick hack for how you can basically get SVG fonts to have a custom color within Adobe InDesign.